Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way how you could delete the cache file for better Windows performance. To do that, click on the Windows button in your keyboard and the letter R on the same time, or simply go to your search tab and type run. This works for Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, and 12. Once you locate the application run, click on it to open. Next step, we're going to type the percentage sign, TEMP for temporary, another percentage sign, and hit enter. Here you will have all the cache files or the temporary files. You want first to close all the work which you have open, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, any software open, you want to close it, making sure that you have saved your work. Next step, you want to delete everything from these files. That's one, so select everything and delete. Second step, go again back, look for Run application, open it, and type this time TEMP only, and click OK. You will be asked if you have access, just click Continue. Again, we will select everything and make sure to delete everything. But again, make sure that no software is open and no work is unsaved. Next step, again, we go back. We type again run, and we are going to type prefetch, and we're going to hit enter. Again, continue. And here again, you want to select everything and delete everything. And this is how you have deleted the cache and enhanced your computer performance. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video.